Hi friends, thank you so much for watching. Today we are doing another clean with me. This is a nighttime clean with me with the entire family pretty much after dinner. So here we are picking up toys all over the floor and also working around the kids, of course. Jakey tried to give me his shoes, like he's just all about, he's like, "Mommy, let me wear my shoes." And so I decided, okay, I'm gonna put on his shoes. And we were cleaning up the living room space to put this new rug that we bought on Amazon, you guys. It is an outdoor rug actually, but I think that it will work for inside our house because, you know, of our whole cat situation. Mr. Bob is sick, and so every now and then when he has anxiety, he'll pee. And this is an awesome outdoor rug because it's thin, it's of course washable. We can wash it with a hose with soap and water, disinfect it and all that, and it dries so quickly because it's kind of like that wick type of fabric as opposed to a heavy wool rug like usually like those indoor rugs. So behind the couch it was really dirty, so I went ahead and I picked up the toys behind and vacuumed it with a little hand vac. And here we are as a family trying to lift that couch and scoot it back in. We actually want to move the rug a little bit out because, you know, if you guys can see, it's looking a little funky. Like it needs to be pushed out a little bit. We'll do that. As far as pillows, we don't know yet, and then we decided yellow after asking you guys on Instagram stories. So thank you for following me on Instagram. It's April Athena 7. You guys are awesome with all your feedback and all your help on like home decor. This is the playroom area. We haven't really decorated it quite yet, so it's just looking like this, and for now we're happy with it. And I'm thinking about another rug. Maybe we might get another one from Amazon that's like outdoor style again. And then I brought some laundry from upstairs to do. I do laundry pretty much every single day, and I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's baby detergent and then geranium softener. Smells so good. Picking up the shoes to bring out into the garage because we store our shoes in the garage on bookshelves. And here I'm storing all the toys in the ottoman that we bought from Bassett. We get a lot of questions on that ottoman. Ottoman and couches are from Bassett. And I still have to show you guys the yellow pillows, and then I bought this yellow flower from Home Goods next time. And then picking up toys under the table and wiping down the booster seats, of course. I always do that because Jakey especially, his gets really dirty, gets food everywhere. And I'm just wiping down the tables with the Method lime and sea salt spray. That stuff smells really good. And then these are the dishes from the evening. I don't even remember what I cooked that night, but yeah, this is how the kitchen looks like at night. And I gotta clean it up every night, you know what I mean? And so let's go ahead and get started with that. Wiping the kitchen down with some Method spray. Again, the lime sea salt spray. Usually at night, whatever spray I have, I'll just use it for everything. And you know, it's an all-purpose spray, so that's what it's for. And then I'm wiping the dishwasher down, I think with the same spray too, because I was like, I'm not gonna use like two different sprays. And then those are clean dishes. I'm just going to put those clean dishes away, and I'm watching something on Netflix. I love Netflix. By the way, have you guys seen that movie To All the Boys I Ever Loved or something like that, where she writes a love letters to the boys? It's so cute. It's totally a cute little teenage high school drama type of show, and I'm like a grown woman who enjoys it. Hey, it's okay. So I'm over here loading the dishes, and I actually tried this new dishwasher. It's the Mrs. Meyer's basil scent with a little bit of 7th generation rinse aid. It works really well. I thought the only one that was working for me was Cascade, and then I found that, and I'm like, hey, I'm really glad I found more cleaning products that work for me. And then I'm rinsing certain things off that need to be rinsed off. And I know this is so weird. We have a potty in the sink. I know that came from the garage, and I wanted to wash it down a little bit before we put it in the bathroom because we want to kind of introduce that to Jacob. I know he just turned 1. We're not going to potty train him yet, but it's good for him to see it regularly and to know that that's something that he will be using in the future. So I had to clean it because it was a little dusty. And then certain dishes I do by hand, and of course, gotta clean that sink. And over here, I'm putting the dishes away that have dried, wiping down the counters again. And now it's time to spot mop. This is the Method, I think it's the like lime scented spot mop. Love using that. And then when I'm done, I just remove the mop and I put that in the washing machine. And my shoes are clean, by the way. I get a lot of questions on my shoes. Those are my indoor house shoes that I use for cleaning, and if I wear it outside, I'll wash it, you know, and I'll wipe it down. And those are the kitties. They kept me company as I cleaned the house. And the house is smelling so nice and fresh, and I just wanted to kind of give you a little overview of everything. Turned off the lights, got it ready for the evening. I had the kids' backpacks there for preschool because I put their lunches in there. Yeah, we are good to go. So the house is nice and clean. I am ready to go upstairs, take a shower, drink more of my Christmas and August water. I don't know why, but this is one of my favorite mugs, and I can never like put it away or like store it. It's like such a big mug. I love to drink my water. Anyways, if you enjoy my cleaning videos, please give it a thumbs up and let me know what you guys want me to clean next. Like, this is like, honestly, this was like truly just a random day. I didn't even think of it. I was like, I should probably do a clean with me because this house is a hot mess. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you guys have a great night. Bye, or morning if you're watching it in the morning. But it is 8:36. I am ready. I don't even know what time I started cleaning, but I am sweaty and I'm ready to shower. I love you guys. Bye.